So I want to do an update on the Road Glide. My last video, what happened was I turned on the bike and the bike actually connected to the phone, Bluetooth. So that kind of messed up my sound. So this is a new one. I'm not going to turn on the bike this time to prevent that. So here we go. 2020 Road Glide Special. See, I've done a good little bit to it. Does have the 131 on it. So I'm gonna try to be quick on it, but try to run through most of it. Probably go front to back. So what you can see here, I got cameras on it. Got a front camera and also a rear camera. They're connected to this. This is my basically how I connect to it. You got a Wi-Fi button and a record button. This is to turn on the Wi-Fi, so if you're out somewhere and you want to connect to it, you can go ahead and connect to it and download the file to your phone or something. And the other button was the record button. So if you see something like while you're riding, then you just go ahead and hit record button. It'll go 10 seconds back and it'll save that. Other thing up front is, you gotta look on the other video to see it because I'm not gonna turn the bike on, but I got changed out the lights. So they got the white halos with the yellow turn signal. Also, axle nut covers. Gotta cover those up. Those probably just think I got those off Amazon. Up top, you got the Clockworks. As you can see, that thing is like low. That thing low. You can definitely tell the difference between that and the factory when you ride. Definitely get more air hitting on you. You can see also that it is dropped. So I got front and rear air suspension. It's dropped on the center stand. Yeah, I do screw up that even when I'm turning sometimes. Sometimes I don't have it all the way up. So you can see the rear is dropped as well. For your air suspension, you got this is front, rear, it's the center stand. And I also have over here, I think this is an Arnott switch. This is also for the rear. So this switch works the rear, and this switch also works the rear. That way when I'm sitting at the light, you got your hand on the brake, got your hand on the clutch. While you're on the brake right here, you just go over here, drop it down. Then when you get ready to pull off, pop it up a few times, and then you off. That way you ain't gotta reach all the way over here. And see, when you sit it down, you can sit more comfortably. So that's why if I'm gonna sit at the light, I go ahead and drop it on down. That way I can sit comfortably. Like I said, I only did that on the rear, that way it can get back front. I don't need that when I'm sitting at the light. All right, what else we got from the front? All right, going on from the front, you got the fangs there. So those are the CVO fairings. Goes all the way down from the top fairing, all the way down to your oil cooler. With that fairing, you also have to get the engine guard, the chopped engine guard. So got that, got my highway pegs. Changed out the linkage. Also put passenger pegs on here, as well as the mid-air deflectors. I do smoke, so I put in a cigarette lighter. Because Harley sells the, they sell this. You know, just a butane. Talking about it's windproof. But there's nothing like just having direct heat to be able to light it up. I got the KrugerKaddy for my drink. This bike does have traction control on it, so that gives you the RDRS. With the RDRS, that gives you heel hold. So like I'm saying, when I'm sitting at the light and I'm just sitting on the bike, you know, relax, I squeeze the brake. Even when I'm on the hill, I let off. And I'm sitting here comfortably with the bike drop because I've already lowered it. So when I get ready to pull off, like I say, I'll pop it up and I'll pull the brake in, and that'll release the vehicle hold. And then I just go gas. So it's up, brake, to release the vehicle hold, and then straight from there, I just come back on my gas. And then I pull it out on my gas and I'm off. So putting everything right here on this right side made that more simple. You can also see I do have the Willie G mirrors. I got those Willie G mirrors because I got the Willie G derby cover. That's because that had the 114 on it, and it does not have, Harley doesn't sell a 131 derby cover. I do have 131 on this side on timing cover. So small. Of course, you see the Screamin' Eagle, stage 4. I had to get the shorter intake breather here because the longer one, which I had paid for at first, was gonna hit my fairings here. So I had to swap that out and get the smaller one. As you can see, this is your switch right here. This is to like your safety valve switch. So like when you're sitting somewhere, you flip that switch down and it lets all the air out of your shocks. Because they say it rarely happens, or if it does even happen, you know, the bike might get air and lift up and cause the bike to tilt over. I'm gonna have to relocate that switch because I have a Coolflow fan. So I got the Coolflow fan, which goes right there by the mid-air deflectors that I gotta put on. So I'm gonna have to get that switch relocated, then I can get that Coolflow put on. You can see I got the seats with the orange stitching. That comes off the 2018 CVO, because you can see Harley Davidson custom vehicle operations. Comes with the back this here. Also, I ordered this with the orange stitching, and the TourPak ordered from Harley color match. Then I got the BadBoys CVO backrest with the orange stitching to match that. Kind of bring everything on in. I got the rock Fosgate speaker lids. See, I have speakers also inside the boxes here. Also, I have custom dynamics right here and here. So they do light up and they do brake and turn. Just got the Screamin' Eagle exhaust. The 131 comes with it, new hair to pipe. Let's see what else we got. Got the Willie G grips. Of course, the match the mirrors. I do have a speaker here, which comes out the back. This speaker. The wire just runs right here, and they run out the same amp. So that speaker in there runs off the same amp with these two lids. The speaker's inside the box. You see I got them on both sides. They run off the speakers that I got in here. All of my front speakers are tied in together. Let's see what else we got. All right, so I'm back. Phone stopped recording because, man, it's hot out here. Phone got too hot, said it need to cool down. Let's see what it's looking like. Even in the garage. Well, yeah, what, 92? So, turn my Bluetooth off so now you can see on this video too as well. The lights. Then they turn. You see the custom dynamics there lit. And I hit the brake, you can see the brake. And you can see that turn as well. So, I'm gonna try this for the third time. I just got a call. Stop my recording. But yeah, we in the dark now. Not necessarily in the dark, just in the shade. That way, the phone won't overheat. But I'll probably try to run down some costs with you. The bike, OEM, how it comes. Around 34, 33, 33, 34, somewhere around there. This one was a little bit more because of the color. Then it was a little bit more because of the TC right here, traction control with RDRS. So that feature there has to come on the bike from the dealership. I mean, from the factory. Can't get that put on after. So that was $1,000 there. Well, I wanted that on the bike because it's a big bike. So I wanted to ride like Cadillac, make it easy for me, but you know. So that was 34. Air ride, front and rear. That was 2,000. 131 kit. That was $6,000. My speakers. So the speakers here, the same in the other box. And the front speakers as well as in here, $2,500. Plus $500 for the Rockford Fosgate lids. So what, $3,000 for the speakers. Another $200 for the second amp I put in to run the Rockford Fosgate. And this speaker here. Let's see what else. The camera system. Front and rear. That was $500 installed at Best Buy. Really $550 because I got 2-year additional warranty, of course. Installation is more, but I'm an Elite Plus member at Best Buy, so I paid $200 for the whole year. And they do anything I want installed, no additional charges. Let's see, the seat. Just the Harley seat here. I think that was $900. I think the BadBoys was around $350. You're looking at about $1,500 for the TourPak. That's without the backrest. And I think the Backrest was around 1 something. If I'm guessing right. What's up, bud? How you doing, man? Hey, appreciate it. Thank you. Custom dynamics. So I don't even know how much I paid for those two there. Looking at about 40 for a cup. Like the little stuff, y'all can add that up. I just want to give you the like custom install stuff. You know, this is like $100. Well, I don't even know how much this was. The switch, I think the switch was probably $150. That's an Arnott, some kind of Arnott switch. I don't even know if I got the paperwork in here still. Nah, I ain't even got paperwork in here. So I was telling you the air ride was $2,000. It was $150 for these switches, because switches that come with the air ride, I think they're either over here or under here, and I wanted my switches up here, so I just gave them $150 for that. I think that's about the major stuff. Like I say, mirrors, grips, cup holder, cigarette lighter, the custom dynamic stuff, floorboards, deflectors, highway pads. You can add that up yourself. $500 for the fairing, and then another $200 something for the engine guard. Of course, you can add up the LEDs here. But yeah, I think that's all I can really go over right now. Like I say, derby cover and all that stuff, so you can add that. I just want to give you the major stuff. I think I got about 2 more weeks, and I'll have a 21-inch on here. I ordered it 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna get a replica. So this is 19 inch. So I'm gonna go to 21, and I'm gonna go with the wrap fender as well. As you know, this fender is bulky, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go with the wrap fender. So 21-inch wrap fender, then I think I'll be about done. If anybody need any 114 parts, because all the top head, like my engine guard, the header pipe, factory exhaust, all that stuff, the oil cooler cover that came here, I have all that. Whenever I get something done, I make sure I be like, give me my old parts. So if you need any of that, just send me a message on, we'll work it out. But yeah, I think that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you were able to add up how much I done spent, let me know, because I ain't even added it up, to tell you the truth. I just said, man, I got the bike. I got to get it like I want. This bike is not financed, totally paid for. So I'm able to do this stuff and know that it's always gonna be mine. So I said I'm gonna get it how I want it, because I ain't got to worry about nobody being like, yeah, you owe me some money, bro. No, my bike paid off. But yeah, just let me know what you think.